Are you looking for a natural way to boost your kidney health and purify your body like never before? Imagine unlocking the power of herbal drinks that not only cleanse your kidneys, but also support your overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 herbal drinks that can detoxify and rejuvenate your kidneys in as little as 26 days. From antioxidant-rich dandelion tea to the powerful kidney-cleansing herbal tea blend, these natural remedies have the potential to revitalize your health. And trust me, number 3 is an absolute game changer you won't want to miss. A quick reminder, this video is intended for informational purposes only. For any health concerns, please seek advice from a doctor. Let's dive in and discover how these natural drinks and their benefits for your kidneys. Starting at number 10, we have dandelion tea. It functions as a natural diuretic, flushing excess salt and waste from your system. This helps to prevent fluid retention and reduce the workload on your kidneys. Dandelion is also a rich source of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress that can lead to kidney damage. In addition, it aids in digestion by improving bile production, which helps break down fats. Not only does it support kidney function, but it also balances blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those looking to manage diabetes and protect their kidneys from diabetic nephropathy. Drink 1 to 2 cups of dandelion tea per day. It's best consumed in the morning or early afternoon to support daily detoxification. At number 9, we have Nettle Leaf Tea. It contains high levels of vitamins A, C, K, and B, all of which help regulate kidney function and improve filtration efficiency. Nettle has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in the kidneys, helping them work optimally. This herbal drink is also known to support the body's detoxification process, enhancing the elimination of toxins through the urine. Nettle's rich mineral content, including calcium, iron, and magnesium, further supports kidney function by contributing to overall cellular health, promoting better circulation and preventing the formation of kidney stones. For optimal results, drink 1 cup of nettle tea 2 to 3 times per week. At number 8, we have turmeric tea. This golden drink is excellent for supporting kidney health due to its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which can be triggered by conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes. Curcumin also neutralizes free radicals, protecting the kidneys from oxidative damage that can lead to kidney failure over time. Regularly drinking turmeric tea can help reduce kidney inflammation, improve blood flow, and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, turmeric tea is a powerful addition to your kidney health routine. For the best results, aim for 1 cup of turmeric tea 2 to 3 times per week. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Coming in at number 7 is ginger tea. This tea is well known for its ability to soothe the digestive system, but it also offers significant benefits for kidney health. Ginger's powerful anti-inflammatory properties reduce kidney irritation and swelling, which can arise from conditions like kidney infections or inflammation. Additionally, ginger contains antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells over time. It also improves circulation, allowing blood to flow more freely through the kidneys, which supports their filtration capacity. To support kidney health, you can drink ginger tea 3 to 4 times a week or daily for digestive support. Number 6 on our list is lemon juice. High in vitamin C, lemon juice acts as a natural antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that can damage kidney cells. The citric acid in lemon juice helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by breaking down calcium deposits in the kidneys. It also promotes better hydration, which is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Proper hydration ensures that the kidneys can flush out toxins and waste more effectively. To boost your kidney health, try drinking 1 glass of fresh lemon juice diluted with water every morning on an empty stomach. Coming in at number 5 is cranberry juice. This juice is a well-known drink for urinary tract health, but it's also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, that can lead to kidney infections. These infections can cause kidney damage if not treated promptly. Cranberry juice is also rich in antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells. It promotes proper urine flow, aiding in toxin elimination, and helping prevent kidney stones. To get the most benefit, opt for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice, as added sugars can counteract the health benefits. For maximum benefit, consume 1 cup of pure cranberry juice 1 to 2 times a day. At number 4, we have Beetroot Juice. This nutrient-rich juice is an excellent drink for enhancing kidney function. It improves blood flow by dilating blood vessels, which helps ensure that the kidneys receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. This increased circulation can boost the kidney's filtration efficiency. Rich in betalains, antioxidants found in beets, beetroot juice helps reduce inflammation and oxidative damage to the kidneys. Additionally, beetroot is high in fiber, which helps with digestion and supports the kidneys by easing the digestive load. To help improve blood circulation and support kidney health, drink 1 cup of beetroot juice 3 to 4 times a week. Number 3, and perhaps the most unexpected pick on our list for some, is Parsley Juice. This powerful drink is a natural diuretic that helps the kidneys flush out excess fluid and waste from the body. This action reduces strain on the kidneys, ensuring they can function more efficiently. Parsley is also loaded with antioxidants, which help reduce kidney inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage. Additionally, parsley contains essential vitamins like A, C, and K, which support overall kidney health and detoxification. Regularly drinking parsley juice can improve your body's ability to filter and eliminate toxins, ultimately reducing the risk of kidney stones and infections. For kidney cleansing, try drinking 1/2 cup of parsley juice daily. Fresh juice is the most potent for kidney health. At number 2, we have green tea. This calming herb is renowned for its health benefits, and it's especially effective in supporting kidney health. Packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants, green tea helps reduce kidney inflammation and oxidative damage. These antioxidants protect the kidneys from harmful free radicals that can accelerate kidney damage over time. Green tea also promotes hydration, which is essential for proper kidney function. It encourages the kidneys to flush out toxins more effectively. With mild diuretic properties, green tea supports the kidneys in eliminating excess waste and fluid. For a healthy kidney routine, drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea every day. At number 1, we have a special kidney cleansing herbal tea blend. It includes hydrangea root, marshmallow root, and gravel root. These 3 herbs work synergistically to provide a powerful detox for the kidneys. Hydrangea root helps dissolve kidney stones, making it a great preventative measure for kidney stone formation. Marshmallow root soothes urinary tract inflammation, reducing discomfort and irritation. Gravel root helps flush out excess minerals and waste from the kidneys, reducing the overall strain. This comprehensive blend aids in the natural cleansing of the kidneys, promoting their health and function while protecting against stones and infections. To cleanse your kidneys, enjoy 1 cup of this herbal tea once a day for 2 to 3 weeks. For best results, consult a healthcare provider if you're new to this blend. Let me know in the comments which herbal drink you're excited to try first. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips.